Hey you guys, Sophia with the Doc is Hope here, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, having a great week so far. So I have got a great video for you today. We are going over 5 cozy must-have fall dresses that you can make up this weekend. So I can't wait. I love fall. I love cozy dresses, and when they're quick makes, it's even better. So the first dress is the one I'm wearing. This is actually New Look 6683, and I made this up last year. It is so comfortable, y'all. If you're wondering which dress you should make for fall, ding ding ding, and I have a sew along. I'm gonna link it here so you guys can sew it along with me this weekend. This dress is everything. So without further ado, let me get my seat and let's get into this video. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Like I said, the first pattern that I'm sharing with you is New Look 6683, which is this right here, y'all. If you don't have this pattern, y'all, what are you waiting for? This right here is everything. I sewed up view A, which is like the little mock neck turtleneck, and I adore this dress. I plan to make it again for my daughter and myself. Because it's so comfortable, it's so cute. It has a drop shoulder like I mentioned, and those 2 pockets on the front make this dress so cozy. It's getting cold outside, y'all. It's getting cold. I don't know about y'all, but in Atlanta it's getting down into the 30s this weekend. So bam, here you go. If you want to look cute and you want to look put together and cozy and warm at the same time, get yourself some New Look 6683. Okay, let's talk about this pattern, y'all. This is, it has 9 pieces. It doesn't say whether it's easy, but I'm gonna tell you, I feel like it was easy. This pattern ranges from a 4 to a 16, and it is sized for stretch knits only. So your suggested fabrics are your bamboo, your fleece, your ITY, your modal, your rib knit, and your sweater knit. It's sweater weather, sweater dress weather. I could see it in an argyle. I could see it in this. I could see it in the rib knit. Really, any of these would be amazing. Only requirements for notions are your thread and some clear swimsuit elastic just to stabilize your shoulder seams. Other than that, you're good to go. So I adore. I cannot say enough about this pattern, y'all. So these are our line drawings here. Hopefully you can see them. I feel like when I hold them at a slant, you can see them better. Here we go. View A with the mock neck, and then view B with like the slouchy turtleneck, which are both so cute, or the cowl neck rather. And then the back of both of these. So any of these, I would make this one and wear it. You could add the pockets onto that one if you want, and this one is a little shorter as well. You could just mix and match and just make a whole bunch of cute dresses. So we love New Look 6683. If you do not have that, add it to your cart. The next dress is Simplicity 9175, which is this dress here, which is very cute. It's another sweater dress, another cozy dress, and it has a belt here, a tie belt, which we love to cinch the waist. Adore. And this is just so cute. I feel like you could layer this with a cute trench coat and just you're ready to go. So let's see, you have view, there's 3 views. View A, which the model is wearing with the long sleeves and the turtleneck with like a midi length skirt. And then we have view B, which is sleeveless. And then we have view C, which has a like split bell sleeve, which is very cute. And then it has just a little scoop neck there. So any of these could be amazing for fall. Again, you could layer it, and it is actually, A is actually like a wrap dress. I'm seeing that now, which we love a good wrap dress. So let's talk about this dress. It has 8 pieces. Your suggested fabrics are your stretch knits only, such as bamboo, cotton knits, interlock, jersey, modal, and your sweater knits. Yes. You can sew this on your serger or your overlock. So we love this. For your notions, you're gonna need thread. For view B, you're gonna need one package of 1/2-inch single fold bias tape. And for view C, you're gonna need a 20-inch long piece of swimsuit elastic for the neckline. So you already got your swimsuit elastic from the last pattern. Just bust it out again. So this pattern ranges from a 6 to a 22. We love it, we love it, we love it. Let's go ahead and take a look at these line drawings, you guys. Here are the line drawings, and you can really see what's really going on. They're gonna make me make this dress, y'all, because, ooh, it's a good one. All right, here we go. So I got y'all. I told you I got you. So here we go. View A. This is the wrap. This is the wrap sweater dress with the tie. Y'all, I am in love. I am in love. I am in love with view A. Didn't know it was a wrap dress. View B, you have the short sleeveless version. And then C, you can see that little split right there for the bell sleeve. And it's just cute. You could also do a tie for C if you wanted to, or you could leave it loose. Y'all know I love a tie. So if I have an option for a tie, we gonna have a tie. So I adore this. Like, I don't know if y'all are seeing this, but I adore this right here. Okay, and again, like I said, it's only 8 pieces. Come on, Simplicity. All right, so if you guys do not have Simplicity 9175, pick it up. Sew yourself up a gorgeous dress this weekend. Okay, moving right along. You guys, I have a lot of new look. I'm telling you, we got a lot of new looks. So this is new look 6298 here, which I love. I love them all. That's why I'm sharing them with you. This is rated easy. And I just love all the different views here. You have four different views for this dress. You have view A, which is the V-neck long dress. You have B, which is what the model is wearing, which, oh, adore, with the V-neck and the pockets on the front and the booty and the tights. This is just giving fall. It's just giving fall, and I adore it. So you could put a little cami underneath if you want to, or not if you don't. It's up to you. And this is view C, which has a boat neck or a scoop neck with pockets on the front. And then view D has a raglan sleeve with it looks like a bottom band here. So it looks like you won't have to do a hem, which we love. No pockets. You could add pockets if you want. And looking at them again, it looks like they all have kind of a raglan sleeve here. So we love a good raglan sleeve. We love a good raglan sleeve. And let's see, your suggested fabrics are your stretch knits only, your double knit, your interlock, your jacquard, your jersey, your single knit, your spandex blends, your terry knit, your two-way stretch, velour. Yes, with the velour. And the only notions you're gonna need is thread. So really no notions, because you always need thread, right? I adore this dress. Okay, now let us look at the line drawings. So here are our line drawings, you guys. View A, B, C, and then D with that bottom band. And then all of them from the back. So I love a good option of a bottom band because again, you don't have to do a hem. So this could definitely be a weekend project. Any of them could, but if you don't want to do a hem, this is your girl right here. View D. Okay. You heard it here first. You heard it here first. So again, if you do not have new look 6298, bam, pick this up, sew this up. I'm just telling you, y'all, you sew one of these per weekend, and come mid-November, you got a nice little stash and rotation of sweater dresses. Come on. Okay, so let's move on to our next pattern. This is a McCall's. This is McCall 7993. I adore it. This pattern right here. Love it. So you have 3 versions again. View A, which again has a bottom band. no hemming. You have view B, which has a bottom band as well with a longer sleeve. And then you have view C, which the model is wearing. It looks like it doesn't have a bottom band. We'll get to explore a little bit later in the line drawings. And it looks like the sleeve might be slightly different. And maybe the length, but we'll see all of that in the line drawings. Let's talk about this pattern, you guys. This is a very easy pattern. This is your fitted dresses, which have long or short sleeve with pleats and cuffs. Oh, be still my heart with the pleats, yes. And a neck band and a hem band, sleeve bands, collar. Okay, this is good. This is good. I love the bands. I'm a band fan. So this dress ranges from an extra small to an extra large, which is a 4 to a 26. Your suggested fabrics are your moderate stretch knits. So your sweater knits, your interlock, your velvet knits, and your rib knits. All the knits in the family. So you're only going to need seam binding here, and that's it as far as your notions go, which I love. They're also giving you the option to contrast with VB. Y'all know I love a contrast. Okay, let us look at these line. Okay, let us look at these line drawings, you guys. Oh. Okay, so view A, and look at that puff sleeve. That exaggerated sleeve is so on trend right now with just a little bit of like extra volume. So this is on trend. View A with the bottom band with the shorter sleeve. View B has the contrasting collar, sleeve band, and bottom band. Oh, that's a bad situation right there. I'm telling you, contrasting with the longer sleeve. And then view C has a hem. Like I said, no bottom band. That's what I thought. And then it has the same neck and sleeve as view B. So here's the back of all of those. I adore. I'm so excited about this one, y'all. Y'all. Okay, so again, if you do not have McCall 7993, pick this up, add it to your cart, pair it with some boots, some tights. I mean, come on. This is so effortless. Like, what pants? No. What skirt? No. Just throw this on and you're good to go. Didn't mean to rhyme, but I did. Okay, so the last pattern I'm going to share with you guys is New Look 6740. Another easy pattern. This was in one of New Look's latest drops, and at first I was like, oh, no. And then the more I looked at it, I was like, okay, I see where we're going. I see what we're doing with this New Look. Let's go. So this is the pattern right here. Do y'all see where we're going? Okay, so view A is the shorter version of this. It's like a sweatshirt dress. And the sleeves are short, and it's got this crisscross band. Look at that crisscross band. When I saw that, I was like, you know what? I think we can do it. I think we can do a crisscross band. I haven't seen it before, but we're gonna try. And then view B is the longer version, long sleeves with the crisscross, and that is what the model is wearing here. So you see how luxurious that looks? I feel like you could dress it up with a shoe and a bag, and then dress it down like with a low heel or a flat or a booty and a bag, like a different bag. So this could go day to night. Cozy, comfy, elegant, laid back, casual at the same time. I adore this dress. And then it has a little slit on the side for a little added and a pizzazz, okay? So I adore this. And then if you see here, it's like a little over neck. I don't even know what this is called. Y'all let me know in the comments. What is this called? Turtleneck, cover, neck, shawl. Okay, so let's talk about this. Again, this is your easy pattern. Sizes range from a 6 to an 18. We love this. Oh, so they're calling it a turtleneck dickie. I've never heard of that before. Have y'all heard of a turtleneck dickie? Let me know down in the comments if it's just me. It may be just me. Anyway, let's talk about our suggested fabrics. Your stretch knits only, such as double knit fleece, ponte, sweatshirt fleece, and terry knit. Love a good ponte. Love a good terry knit. Love a good sweatshirt fleece. Any of these. For contrasting for view A and B, they want you to use some rib knit. And then for view C, for the turtleneck dickie, they want you to use a sweater knit, an ITY, a bamboo, an interlock, or a jersey. Lots of options. For your notions, you're going to need one 14-inch zipper, and that is for the back of this guy. We love it. Sizing, I think I said it's 6, 2, and 18, but if not, there you go. Let's look at the line drawings, which are oh so amazing. So here we go. So we have view A, which is again the short sleeve, and it's like rolled in a cuff, which is so chic. And then we have view B, which is the full sleeve sweatshirt sleeve, and again this looks like a drop shoulder situation as well. And then they're showing us the back of A and B here, and then C is that turtleneck dickie. I don't know, like they didn't even picture what that's supposed to look like on. I don't know if it goes under what you're wearing or over what you're wearing. I'm gonna have to do some research now. But we love New Look 6740. We do. It's gonna keep us warm. It's gonna keep us cute, because we gotta stay cute. And this is it, New Look 6740 here. So if you do not have that, add it to your cart and sew yourself up a cute dress this weekend. Y'all be looking for a New Look sale, because when it comes, you know what to get. Get yourself all of these. Get you all of these right here. Okay, so that is it for today's video, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, I enjoyed making it for you. You guys, if you have not already, check out my shop, www.thedocishope.com. If you have already purchased some things from me, thank you. I greatly appreciate your support, and I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Be blessed and happy sewing.